Mini ITX PCs come with a lot of challenges when it comes to price, heat, and finding parts that fit well together. However, in recent times, the small form factor market is making a great comeback, and it's easy to fit together a powerful mini PC very easily. Starting with the case, I went with the one and only CoolerMaster NR200. It is easily the best budget mini ITX case because it is priced like a budget ATX case and can take in almost anything you can think of. It is easy to build in as well, considering that it is usually tough to build inside a mini ITX PC. Whether it's a full-size graphics card or even a 240mm AIO, it can take in just about anything you throw at it. Sometimes all that is important when building a PC is pure price to performance, and no platform offers better bang for your buck than AM4. The Ryzen 5 5600 is the budget CPU champion that offers the best balance between gaming and productivity performance near the $100 price mark, and it even comes included with a stock cooler. To pair the 5600, I wanted an equally well-rounded motherboard that offers a great set of features at the lowest possible price. Of course, being a mini ITX case, it can only fit a mini ITX motherboard, and for this build, I went with the ASRock B550M ITX AC. There aren't many mini ITX motherboards near the $100 price point that have the B550 chipset. Most of the boards near this price are either A520 or B450 boards, while most B550 boards are much more expensive with almost nothing more to offer. The ASRock B550M ITX AC just about covers all the basic needs, but goes a few extra steps. It has an 8-phase VRM that is powerful enough even for a stock 5900X Wi-Fi 5, and has even a Type-C port. For a super affordable mini ITX, combining the ASRock B550M ITX AC with the Ryzen 5 5600 makes perfect sense. They're a great pairing, and the 5600 has enough horsepower for smooth 1440p gaming. Speaking of gaming, for the graphics card, I went with the RX 6700 XT. I know it's a boring choice at this point, but one that's hard to pass on. It is still the best budget GPU that can play all the latest AAA titles at 1440p ultra settings while consuming less than 200 watts of power. In terms of price to performance, the RX 6700 XT is still on top, even after all this time. The XFX Speedster SWFT 309 Radeon RX 6700 XT is a great variant and fits easily in the NR200, as it is a true 2-slot card. The SSD and RAM were an easy choice. I went with a 1TB stick of Crucial P3 Plus and a 16GB kit of Corsair Vengeance LPX at 3600 MHz CL18. Both of these fit easily in the budget and don't leave much to be desired. I would have liked to go with a 32GB kit of RAM, but since I wanted to keep everything under $900, it was a tough choice. 16GB is still plenty for gaming and light tasks. Plus, the 12GB of VRAM on the RX 6700 XT means that it won't need to offload assets onto the system RAM. To power this entire PC, I was left with very few choices, but thankfully, all of them are pretty good. I settled on the CoolerMaster V750 SFX Gold, which is a top-notch unit with a lot of room for really powerful components. It's efficient and quiet too, and since this PC is going to consume only about a third of its capacity, it will last a very long time. In conclusion, it is a common misconception that mini ITX PCs are expensive and difficult to build. This $900 build disproves that notion with one of the best mini ITX cases and a combination of parts that offer flagship performance without breaking the bank.